everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are missing notifications on your Google Pixel or alerts aren't coming through, this video will help you fix the issue quickly. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Check notification settings. Open Settings on your device, then tap Notifications and tap App Notifications. Select the All app instead of Most Recent, then make sure all notifications are enabled. You can disable any app if you want. Solution 2. Allow background data usage. Open Settings on your phone, then tap Apps. Now tap Select All Apps. After that, find the specific app and tap it. Then tap Mobile and Wi-Fi data uses. Next, enable background data. Also, unrestricted data uses. This ensures notifications arrive instantly. Solution 3. Disable Data Saver Mode. Data Saver can block background syncing. Open Settings on your Pixel phone, then tap Network and Internet. Now tap Data Saver and make sure it is disabled. Solution 4. Reset App Preferences. If notifications still don't work, go to Settings on your device. Scroll down a little bit and tap System. Now scroll to the bottom and tap Reset Options. After that, tap Reset App Preferences and confirm it. This won't delete your personal data, but it will reset notification permissions and background restrictions. And that's how you fix notification issues on your Google Pixel. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more simple Pixel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching!